Welcome you all children to our today's math session. In this video you will learn about the lesson how much can you carry. Let me see a funny story. The clever donkey and his heavy sack. Sandesh has a donkey. It carries sacks full of salt on its back. On the way to the market, they have to cross a river every day. One day while crossing the river, the donkey slipped and fell into the river. When it got up, the sacks felt very light. Guess why the sacks felt lighter? Salt sack becomes lighter when dipped in water. Salt dissolves in water. When the salt dissolved in water, the donkey felt very light. So the donkey is happy. The donkey was very happy. This also gave it an idea. Next day, while crossing the river, the clever donkey decided to take a dip. This time Sandesh understood the donkey's trick. He thought to teach a lesson to it. Next day, Sandesh put sacks full of woolen cloth in place of salt. Now what would happen to the donkey when it dipped into the river? Why? Woolen cloth becomes heavier when dipped in water. Cloth absorbs water. Now the donkey is unhappy and Sandesh is happy. Try and observe. Dip a woolen cloth in a bucket of water. Is the cloth heavy or light than before? Drop a spoon of salt in a tumbler of water. Are you able to find the salt in water? Next, Raju wants to ride a Caesar. Raju needs a friend to ride a Caesar. Rani comes to help Raju, but still Raju cannot ride the Caesar. Can you tell why? Circle the correct answer. Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani? Raju is heavier than Rani, so he couldn't ride the Caesar with Rani. Then Aslam comes to help them. Can you tell why the Caesar turned this way? Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani and Aslam together? Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam together. Now we are all enjoying the ride. Now Raju added the school bag with him. Now both of them are equal in height. Heavier, lighter. Which of the two things will make the Caesar go down? Watermelon or pumpkin? Yes, watermelon. Because watermelon is heavier than pumpkin. Now can you guess? Which of the two things will make the Caesar to go down? Water bottle or this part? Yes, this part. Because this part is heavier than water bottle. Can you guess which one is heavier? 2 tumblers or a jug? Yes, these 2 tumblers make the Caesar to go down because it is heavier than the jug. Which one is heavier? Bucket or cup and saucer? Yes, bucket will make the Caesar to go down because it is heavier than the saucer. Which one is lighter? Color it in your book. The small ball or this bigger one? Which one is lighter? Yes, this yellow color ball is lighter. Which one is lighter? School bag or pencil box? Yes, this pencil box is lighter than the school bag. Which one is lighter? Pencil or book? Yes, this pencil is lighter because it is lighter than the book. Let me see a story. Chotu Monkey and the Carrots. Chicky and Mickey Rabbit saw a bag. It had carrots in it. Chicky and Mickey started fighting with each other. Chicky said, I'll take bigger carrots. But Mickey said, no, I am bigger one, so I'll take bigger carrots. Chotu Monkey came to help them. Can I help you? We want to share the carrots equally between us, but some carrots are big and some are small. What do we do? Chotu Monkey brought something to help them. Yes, this is the one Chotu Monkey brought. Guess and tell what Chotu Monkey used to help Chicky and Mickey. Draw a picture of it in the monkey's hand. Chicky and Mickey got equal share of carrots and are happy. Find out. Your parents buy carrots for the family. How much do they buy at one time? How does the vegetable seller weigh the carrots? Yes, by using the weighing balance, the vegetable seller can weigh the carrots. How much can Simran carry? Simran's father needs to move some things from the store of their house to the kitchen. Simran wants to help her father. Guess which bags Simran can carry? 5 kg atta, 2 kg sugar, 2 kg dal, 1 kg ghee, 2 kg cooking oil, 5 kg rice, 1 kg salt. Out of these things, which bags Simran can carry? Yes, Simran can carry 2 kg sugar, 2 kg dal, 1 kg ghee, 2 kg cooking oil and 1 kg salt. 5 kg atta and 5 kg rice Simran couldn't carry with her. Guess who can carry what? Her father and mother, both of them can carry all these things. But her younger sister, she is too small. She couldn't carry all those things. Can Simran carry any two of these bags together? Yes, Simran can carry 1 kg ghee along with 1 kg salt. Which bags can you carry? Write down in your notebook. Roughly, draw it, near it, name and weight. Describe the color and taste of each of these groceries. I can carry a grain of sugar bigger than myself. Now it is your activity time, children. Match the ability to carry. Crow can carry out of these things which she could carry. Like that, you can do other things also. Here, crow can carry the leaf. Elephant can carry this bundle of sticks. Here, dog can carry this ball. And this donkey can carry this sack of salt. Identify the lighter object of the two given things. Which one is lighter, newspaper or this math book? Which one is lighter, pencil or this color pen? Identify the heavier object that drops down on the physical balance. Which one is heavier, lemon or this tomato? Which one is heavier, this blue colored ball or this red colored ball? Who can carry what? 10 kg rice, 5 kg sugar, 2 kg salt, 1 kg dal. Who can carry these things? A father can carry which one, and mother can carry how many things here, and son and also the daughter. You can tabulate the answers in this table. Which one is heavier? 5 kg or 10 kg? Which one is heavier? 6 kg or 2 kg? Which one is more heavier? 6 kg or 60 kg? Which one is heavier, children? These cloths are soaked in water, but these are kept dry. Which one is heavier? Which one is heavier? Can you guess it? This jug full of water or this tumbler full of water? Which one is heavier, children? Water bottle or this mango? Can you guess which one is heavier? This bananas or this saucers? Thank you, children.